New vaccination rates just came out a few hours ago, and you can see right here there are a lot of numbers, but if you look closely, you can see increases from last Thursday's rates. The biggest jump is in the two youngest age brackets, both up 2% right now. Vaccination rates in older residents are holding steady, but all are above 75%, which is good news. More than 2.1 million people are fully vaccinated here in Connecticut. Now, New London County is one of 3 COVID hotspots here in the state. Hartford and New Haven counties are the other 2. Cases have more than doubled, and community spread is considered substantial. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Shante Passmore is joining us live right now. She is in Mystic with more on how businesses and people are responding to all of this right now. Shante?
Mark, Hang the Moon, a gift shop, which is where I'm standing in right now, wasted no time to tell people to protect themselves by wearing a mask while indoors. And tonight we're learning some businesses are hoping the state comes down with a stricter mask mandate to help curb the spread.
In the middle of a pandemic, Mystic is bustling. For the Orlemans visiting from New York, their outing is done with caution.
Keeping to ourselves, feeling good about being outdoors, making sure there was a lot of outdoor activities, which was nice about Mystic, and that's why we're here.
Not even 24 hours after the CDC labeled New London County as a COVID-19 hotspot, stores like The Rose already saw people following the agency's guidelines to wear masks indoors where there's high infection rates.
We have seen lately more people on the streets and out and about, but now I'm a little bit concerned that this might scare people and keep people in.
Data shows cases skyrocketed by more than 50% in New London County. New research shows fully vaccinated people may contract the Delta variant and possibly spread it to others. Ledgelight Health District is trying to break through vaccine hesitancy, especially in Groton and New London.
We're still doing 2 to 3 clinics a week, targeted clinics in our communities to try and reach those individuals.
We reached out to New London Public Schools to see how it's preparing for the school year. Should new guidance be issued, we will pivot to adjust. New London Public Schools never cease to require face masks indoors while on premises, except during designated time mask breaks. Back at the Seaport, people aren't taking chances.
I think we both will.
Yeah, usually if we're indoors or somewhere like that, we're going to be wearing our masks.
Yeah.
Because it's just better safe than sorry.
All right, so let's look at some of those numbers tonight. You can see right there on your screens that at least 69% or less than 69% of people living in New London County have received at least their first dose. And in the other hotspot counties, that number is even lower. As for vaccination nowadays, Ledgelight Health District tells me it's lucky if it can even get into the double digits. Live in Mystic this evening, Shante Passmore, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.